Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove a payment method on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to billing below hosting. Then jump to payment methods tab. Here you will see a list of the available payment methods on your account. In my case, it's a credit card payment method. Unfortunately, I can't delete this one because because Bluehost requires at least to have at least a one payment method that of course they can use for renewal, for automatic renewal. To make sure that I don't get any payments, unwanted payments, what I will do is to first add a PayPal payment method, which I will then block from, I will block payments coming from Bluehost, automatic payments inside my PayPal account. Then I will remove this credit card because PayPal, you can block automatic payments on your PayPal account, but unfortunately, I don't think you can do it for your credit card. So how to do this? Click on add payment method. Click on PayPal. Log in to your PayPal account. Here I will select this credit card. Click on agree and continue. And here I will make this PayPal payment method the primary payment method on Bluehost. Click on save. And now after having a second payment method, I can delete this credit card payment method. But before this, to not forget about stopping automatic payments from Bluehost inside PayPal, go to your PayPal account, click on your profile icon, click on account settings, yes, then scroll down to website payments below products and services, and here you will see my automatic payments. Click on update, then click on my pre-approved payments, and as you see, the active ones I have for this PayPal account is from Bluehost. Click on it, then click on cancel. Cancel your future automatic payments to bluehost.com. If you cancel it now, you'll have to set up automatic payments again to pay with PayPal. Yes, cancel automatic payments. You're good to go. You successfully canceled your automatic payments to bluehost.com. Click on done. Now you can, as you see, I have the inactive next to status. Now you can close this window. Now that PayPal cannot make automatic payments to this PayPal payment method, I can delete this credit card. Click on delete. You are about to delete the following payment method, MasterCard, ending with this number. Once you remove this payment method, you won't be able to use it on the other Bluehost products. Yes, I want to delete this payment method. Click on delete. You have successfully deleted a payment method. It may take up to 24 hours to reflect the changes. And this is how to delete a payment method on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.